If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update. I've seen a lot of coins trying to make some correction to the upside, but Solana hasn't really been able to make any particular move other than having this one pump right there. But after that, it has just been boring and sideways and nothing much, nothing fancy right here. I've actually talked about Bitcoin in detail. Solana follows Bitcoin. I suggest you watch Bitcoin update today on the channel, and you're gonna know what Bitcoin does. Because whatever Bitcoin does, Solana is going to follow. Bitcoin is like the head and Solana is the body. So wherever the head goes, the body follows. That's how I can tell you right now. So watching Bitcoin is just like watching a Solana update if you want to get better idea of what's going to happen with Solana. So I've talked about this before. We don't have any movement that looks pretty for Solana. Anything that is happening is just mirroring what Bitcoin is doing. And sometimes Bitcoin even pumped, but this one didn't actually pump. But there's only one thing that I want to talk about right now, and that is to take this bottom and this corrective move to the upside right there, and I want to lay down the fib retracement to see where exactly are we going to move forward to. So right now on a smaller time frame, a retracement down to 12.32 is what I'm expecting. And if you end up closing below this area, put a tick there. So we're going to continue all the way down to $9 in the next coming few days. So I do expect a retracement down to 12.32. If you can hold this support, amazing. If you start to hold, you're going to create low here, a higher low, try to move up again, try to tackle out this resistance line, break out of it, and we could be looking for $19. But at the moment, if that's not going to happen, the worst case is going to be that you close below this one and start to fizzle out and move lower, and then you're going to be looking for a technical target to $9 based on a fib retracement or fib trading, if you want to put it that way. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.